Design specifications are essential for ensuring a smooth development process, and component specs are a key part of that. In this video, we'll show you how to automatically generate component specs for your wireframe design. This video shows how MockFlow makes it easy to generate component specs, which you can seamlessly pass on to your development team. Inside your MockFlow wireframing editor, to access the CSS code for a specific component, switch to Review mode and select Specs in the sidebar. Click on the desired component to view its design specifications and CSS code. You can then copy the code and integrate it into your website. This process makes it easy to access CSS code and design specs for various components within your design. Using MockFlow's design specs is a smart and efficient way to hand over your designs to the development team, ensuring clarity and eliminating any potential confusion. Try MockFlow today to streamline both your design and development processes.